2025 Mazda Miata SUV, a game changer in the compact crossover market. Few names in the automotive world evoke as much affection as the Mazda Miata. For over 3 decades, the Miata, formerly the MX-5, has embodied lightweight, rear-wheel drive purity, delivering unfiltered driving joy in a world increasingly dominated by bloat and tech overload. But times change, and with the SUV market now the undeniable king, Mazda has taken a bold leap, reimagining the Miata's DNA in a compact SUV form. The result is the 2025 Mazda Miata SUV, and it's not just another crossover, it's something else entirely. At first glance, purists might raise an eyebrow. Can a Miata really have 4 doors and a taller ride height without betraying its roots? Amazingly, Mazda pulls it off. The exterior styling remains true to the brand's Kodo design language, fluid, emotional, and distinctly Mazda. The SUV's profile leans coupe-like, with a sweeping roofline and tight overhangs that give it an agile, planted stance. The front end is assertive, sporting a deep-set grille and sleek LED headlights that nod to the original Roadster's mischievous charm. Subtle fender flares, rising character lines, and available 19-inch forged wheels all hint at performance without screaming for attention. It's athletic, sculpted, and refreshingly original in a sea of look-alike crossovers. Step inside, and the Miata spirit continues. The cabin is driver-focused and uncluttered, with a horizontal dash layout that feels purposeful. Materials are top shelf for the class. Soft touch panels, real metal trim, and available Napa leather seats that feel far more upscale than expected. The 10.25-inch infotainment screen sits smartly atop the dash, now running an updated Mazda Connect system with snappier response and a cleaner interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as are voice commands that actually understand you the first time around. The front seats cradle you like a sports coupe, while the rear surprises with usable space, something no Miata owner has ever dared to dream of. Cargo room is thoughtfully packaged, making this Miata the first to welcome a grocery run or weekend getaway without compromise. Under the hood, Mazda offers 2 compelling engine choices. The base 2.5-liter Skyactiv G 4-cylinder makes around 187 horsepower, enough for lively city and highway driving. But the real fun begins with the turbocharged variant, which pumps out up to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel. Paired with a responsive 6-speed automatic and optional paddle shifters, this engine transforms the Miata SUV into a genuinely quick and satisfying machine. Even more exciting? A 6-speed manual transmission is rumored to be available on performance trims, a love letter to the purist still lurking inside many of us. On the road, the Miata SUV shines. This isn't a soft, vague handling commuter. It's sharp, composed, and willing, more akin to a sports sedan than a high-riding utility vehicle. Mazda's engineers worked wonders with the chassis, keeping weight low and distribution balanced. The suspension is firm but compliant, offering tactile feedback without punishing ride quality. The steering is direct, communicative, and precise, rare praise in the crossover world. Whether you're carving canyon roads or cruising downtown, the Miata SUV feels alive, eager, and above all, fun. Safety tech is fully modern, with Mazda's iActiveSense suite coming standard. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, and more. Higher trims offer semi-autonomous traffic jam assist, a 360-degree camera, and even a heads-up display. Structural upgrades and enhanced airbag systems ensure that this Miata is as safe as it is spirited. So, what exactly is the 2025 Mazda Miata SUV? It's not just a Miata with a lift kit, nor is it a cookie-cutter crossover with a borrowed nameplate. It's a deliberate evolution, a reinterpretation of the Miata ethos for a modern world that demands versatility and comfort alongside fun. In essence, Mazda didn't water down the Miata. They broadened its appeal. Will it anger purists? Maybe. But for those who want driving pleasure without sacrificing daily livability, the Miata SUV could be the sweet spot they've been waiting for. It's not just a new chapter for the Miata, it's a new genre entirely. One that proves emotion and practicality can coexist. And in today's crossover-saturated market, that makes the 2025 Mazda Miata SUV a true game changer. Want me to format this as a downloadable PDF or add visual layouts